scheme.
What we do?
Join you when you have a scheme.
Oh, Kim.
Man, you see, man?
Why am I tell?
Wi-Fi. Unbothered judge, Jesus Christ, man, I should have did that right up on the time, you know, man. Thank you, unbothered. Wi-Fi. Keep Wi-Fi, I lag. Wi-Fi, I lag, chat. Wi-Fi, I lag. Big up yourself this week, Thank you, unbothered. Thank you, guys. Wi-Fi, I lag, mommy. Wi-Fi alarm. Maybe your phone overheat.
Sorry about that. Guys, let me get this picture. Guys, everybody, one rose. No, sorry, I want phone call coming, Anna.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, each person one rose, chat. Each person one rose. Yeah, honestly, I have put him in a theme place when I run away. You get me? Over there, you know, so when they find it up on me, always I try, but I go give up, though.
Yeah, man. But I want to stuff. But no, I did it.
So your hairstyle cute. You do it, guys. Thank you.
Always.
Nikita, thank you, baby.
Always did it. Thank you. Chat, everybody use the triple chat. Use the triple chat.
Thank you so much for the whale. Zoe.
Everybody use the triple.
Zoe, you mad? Zoe, why you do that? Me learn not, and Zoe take me page over your send big whale. To myself over your stuff.
I lie.
Hey, Pini, come over my phone for me, come over there for you.
Understand.
Your brother here.
Wait there. Want something come up on the phone? Wait there. Give me a minute. Me a movie. Want to look at questions.
Oh, want something. Guys, thank you, guys, everybody. Zoe, why you do that? You recharge out of my money? Watch me here. Zoe, can phone? Can come? Alex, contact your sister.
Oh, Anna.
Oh, bro. You alright?
Yeah, what's the minute, you know?
It get bigger and bigger every day.
Zoe, give me phone now.
Want to see boy, no?
Eh?
Want to see boy?
Want to see jokes?
Yeah, want to see jokes.
But I'm ready for craft all your face.
Is there worse than that Terry?
Everybody.
You want Terry to have the same head?
Alright. Want to see you?
Just say I go see my dinner.
Where see my dinner?
Let me see some way to play from. So much I recharge.
Yeah.
Come say hi to your sister quick. Come now. Come here, son.
Yes, how's your friend?
Jimmy, I'm serious.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. Hey, me see a mad load on TikTok, you know. Mine, you know. Mine. Oh.
Wait.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
What me some of them the WhatsApp like me can send one message to you, yeah?
Yeah, you know black, you know. You never black. But don't just black Chanel and the rest of them, girl. No, I never knew.
Oh, we can get you. Oh.
What's up?
WhatsApp? So I see your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, I see a WhatsApp number.
Alright, so when me done, me go make a sister text you. Right? Alright. You want to do next one? I come here go meet somebody and then reach out Ochi.
Hey, let's wake up so I forgot to attend to you.
Alright, nice seeing you.
Alright,
Here?
have a great day. You
Talk to you soon. Yeah, baby.
Have a great day.
Guys, thank you so much. Guys, thank you. Guys, thank you. Oh my God. The first time I go hold him, the first time I go touch him, the first time I go see him. You understand me? Thank you so much. Me really appreciate each and every one of you. Me I tell you, me no pushing because I don't want me see baby. Thank you guys. Me appreciate you guys. I don't even know me not gonna win. I don't even know me I go win. Yeah, you know? Oh my God. A super woman. Thank you. Oh my God. Nikki.